Always remember to do your own research and due diligence. It is important to invest in something that we understand and only invest what you can afford to lose since lahat ng investment may risks. So kung gusto mo lang naman sumabay, it is your own discretion.
Ngayon naman pag-uusapan natin in this video how much investment is required, no? Dahil nagtatanong magkano daw minimum. So ayan, the minimum, and nakalagay ito sa FAQs pala ng Cubits Cube. So the minimum investment threshold for a personal API strategy trading is 1,500. So kung di nyo pa napapanood kung ibig sabihin ng personal API, so panoorin nyo muna yon, meron tayong video nun. And 1,500 ang minimum kung personal API. Pero if yung users nag-invest on the platforms, yung mga positions na meron tayo is pinagsama-sama, aggregated through the capital collection system, and yung profit is nadidistribute sa iba't ibang system. So dahil dyan, $10 lang minimum or around 600 pesos. Certification requirements. So kapag ikaw, yung investor, is nag-invest ng amount ng $300 below, so hindi mo na kailangan mag-undergo ng KYC verification. However, kung investment mo naman ay $300 pataas, so kailangan mo na mag-undergo ng verification to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and to safeguard investment security. So ayan, kung di nyo pa napapanood yung verification video ko about Cubits Cube, panoorin nyo muna yon. And yun lang, that's the minimum required para makapagsimula mag-trade dito.